Hello, friends. Welcome back to Do's English. I'm Jessica.
And I'm James. We are happy you're here. Today we will talk about daily routines, the simple things you do every day.
Yes, things like waking up, brushing your teeth, eating breakfast, going to work, all the normal steps in your day.
This episode is perfect for beginners. We speak slowly. We repeat key words. You can listen, learn, and practice with us.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to Do's English. It really helps our community grow.
All right, let's start our day together.
Let's begin with the morning. The first phrase is, I wake up. Repeat with me, I wake up.
Good. And after you wake up, you can say, I get up. This means you leave your bed. Repeat, I get up.
Here's a simple example. I wake up at 6:30. Repeat, I wake up at 6:30.
Example, I get up at 7 o'clock. Repeat, I get up at 7 o'clock.
Another morning phrase is, I wash my face. Repeat, I wash my face.
And, I brush my teeth. Repeat, I brush my teeth.
Example, I brush my teeth after I get up. Repeat, I brush my teeth after I get up.
And my example, I brush my teeth before breakfast. Repeat, I brush my teeth before breakfast.
Some people like to exercise in the morning. The phrase is, I go to the gym. Repeat, I go to the gym.
Example, I go to the gym in the morning. Repeat, I go to the gym in the morning.
Another example, I go to the gym at 6 a.m. Repeat, I go to the gym at 6 a.m.
Or, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Repeat, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Now let's talk about breakfast. A useful phrase is, I eat breakfast. Repeat, I eat breakfast.
Here are examples. My quick breakfast is a banana. Repeat, my quick breakfast is a banana. Or, I eat toast in the morning. Repeat, I eat toast in the morning.
Another helpful phrase is, I drink coffee. Repeat, I drink coffee.
Or tea, I drink tea in the morning. Repeat, I drink tea in the morning.
Let's add one more. I make breakfast. Repeat, I make breakfast.
Example, I make breakfast for my family. Repeat, I make breakfast for my family.
Next phrase, I get dressed. Repeat, I get dressed.
Example, I get dressed for work. Repeat, I get dressed for work.
Or, I get dressed for school. Repeat, I get dressed for school.
Another helpful phrase is, I leave home. Repeat, I leave home.
Example, I leave home at 8 a.m. Repeat, I leave home at 8 a.m. Let's move to your day at work or school. The phrase is, I start work. Repeat, I start work.
Or, I start school. Repeat, I start school.
Example, I start work at 9. Repeat, I start work at 9.
Another phrase, I eat lunch. Repeat, I eat lunch.
Example, I eat lunch at noon. Repeat, I eat lunch at noon.
Or, I eat lunch with my friend. Repeat, I eat lunch with my friend.
Next phrase, I finish work. Repeat, I finish work.
Example, I finish work at 5. Repeat, I finish work at 5.
Okay, now the evening. The phrase is, I go home. Repeat, I go home.
Example, I go home after work. Repeat, I go home after work.
Next phrase. I make dinner. Repeat. I make dinner.
Example. I make dinner at 7. Repeat. I make dinner at 7. Or, I make pasta for dinner. Repeat. I make pasta for dinner.
Another phrase. I relax. Repeat. I relax.
Example. I relax on the couch. Repeat. I relax on the couch. Or, I relax and watch TV. Repeat. I relax and watch TV.
Now the night routine. The phrase is, I take a shower. Repeat. I take a shower.
Example. I take a shower at night. Repeat. I take a shower at night.
Another important phrase. I go to bed. Repeat. I go to bed.
Example. I go to bed at 10:30. Repeat. I go to bed at 10:30.
Great work. You are doing so well.
Let's practice a short daily routine conversation. First, listen.
James, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. And you, Jessica?
I wake up at 7. I eat a banana for breakfast.
Nice. I drink coffee in the morning.
Now listen again and repeat after us, slowly.
I wake up at 6:30.
I eat a banana for breakfast. Or, I drink coffee in the morning.
Good job. Repetition helps you learn.
Today we learned many daily routine phrases. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I go to the gym. I eat breakfast. I start work. I go home. I relax. I go to bed.
You did amazing today. Really, you're improving already.
Now we want to hear from you. What is the first thing you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for listening to Do's English. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Have a great day, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.